Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu.
What is up? Special K here, back with another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY. And, yeah, I hope this turns out right, because if not, I will cry. We are going to be making a ring light, and my stuff came yesterday, and I wasn't able to film yesterday because I came home around like 10-ish because I went out swimming or whatnot. That's another story. So yeah, this video is actually inspired by a YouTuber that I've seen do this, and I'm going to do it exactly the way she did it because I felt like it was more easier than, like, you know, cutting out certain things where it's going to be much harder and going to take longer to do because I don't have the right equipment for it. So I will shout her out in the video somewhere around here, top, bottom, side, I don't know, but you have inspired me to do this DIY. So yeah, before we do that, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and hit that like button, and also hit the notification bell so you can know when I post, so you can like keep up with my life and everything like that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you need is a Wreath wire, aluminum foil, an 18-foot rope white light with, it comes with a extension cord, zip ties, 2 folders, scissors, and a pen. So what you're going to do is you're going to place the Wreath wire on top of the 2 folders, and you're just going to trace the wire around. And normally people would do this with cardboard, but since I don't have like a cardboard cutter thingy, it's going to be harder and it's going to take long. So this is the most easiest way. This is what it should look like after you are done tracing it. Then we are just going to cut it out by simply just following the lines that you traced, and boom. So this is what you should have after you're done cutting it, and you're just going to take a piece of tape and tape the top and the bottom of the 2 folders to make it a whole circle. So now we're just going to take some aluminum foil and we are going to wrap it around this circle so it can have that little shine to it to make it more brighter, you know. Okay, so we're going to move that aside and work on the wreath and the lights. So I'm just going to open up that little space so the top of the little thingy, I don't know what to call it, I'm sorry, so it can fit in there, so we can be able to use these zip ties to keep it in place. So I just put it through the wreath in that first one and just tied it up with the zip tie and just cut off the excess so we ain't got to do it later. I'm just skipping every other little mark, I would say, so we don't have to use as much zip ties. So this is the finished result of wrapping the rope around the wreath with the extension cord hanging out, so I can easily plug it in the wall and everything like that. So yeah. So now this is where the aluminum foil circle is coming into play again. So we're gonna put the wreath on top of that, and we're just gonna take some more zip ties and tie it like around, but not a lot. You don't need a lot. You only need about like 4 or 5 just to keep it in place so it doesn't fall off. So now we're going to attach it to our tripod, and this tripod is special because it's dials up. It has a little dial and you can like extend it more. So we're going to tie it around that neck, and let's hope for the best. Let me tell y'all, the zip ties weren't long enough for me to wrap around the neck and the wreath for it to hold. So having a household full of things to improvise with, I used the most strongest string I could ever find. This was my sister's. I had to ask her like, hey, I need something strong to tie. So what I am doing, y'all may think this is like unstable, but watch what I'm doing right now. I am double tying the string, and I'm going to put more string. And what I am going to do is I'm going to take the zip ties and bring all of the strings together, so that way it could have a better hold without it like shaking a lot or falling and everything like that. So just watch me work. Watch me work. Okay, y'all, so I had to improvise. I did not have the zip ties. I've ordered the zip ties, but I didn't realize like the length, so it's not long enough to like wrap around here, which y'all could have done originally in the first place. But since I had to improvise, I had to search around the house for some string or something strong to hold this up and zip tie it to secure it. Now this isn't like all, I wouldn't say it's secured enough. I want to show y'all how it's secured. So what I did was I just wrapped double tied the knots, the string into knots, and after that I just took the zip ties and put them together so it can hold it. I did that for the front and the back. So, and the top, bottom, everywhere I could possibly fill in that blank. So this is the finished result that I wanted to show you guys. It's stable enough. It wiggles a little bit, but it's still there. So, but if I have to add more zip ties, then I will. But this is the finished result. You can get this tripod on Amazon for about $10, but it's not Prime, so you have to pay for shipping. But this is the only way you can achieve this look, to have your camera sitting right here with the whole ring light effect. So I'm gonna plug this up and show y'all how it looks with the light on, with the light off, and let's get it. Okay guys, this is what the finished look is. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the outside, but girl, I finally got some light so y'all can see me, not in some like dark room or whatever. But clap it up for your girl, clap it up for your girl. I'm very proud of myself, and I'm gonna just preach to y'all, woman. There's things that may get in your way, and you feel like that once you get the wrong stuff, you cannot finish it, like you just done, like you just gave up on life. But you have to improvise. I use string and zip ties to secure this whole thing, because I didn't know what kind of, I didn't know how many inches the zip ties were. But I ordered it off Amazon. I ordered everything from Amazon. I didn't go to the store, which would be better, but I didn't like have any other like time to go, so I just decided to order on Amazon. So yeah, everything that I'm done preaching, by the way. Everything that I did and got are from Amazon, so I will put that in the description box below so you guys can get it. And also the only thing that's not Prime is the tripod, and it's really not that bad. It's a good price. So y'all probably can see me sweating because it is so hot up here. I was trying to work with, I wonder if my edge is still there. It's curling up. Oh, y'all see the ring light in my eye too? See, that's how you know. But I am just so excited of how it turned out, and I will definitely do this again. I'm gonna actually hike you guys up. So I actually gotta hold the ring light. Like y'all don't know. It just hurt me that I did not get the long zip ties, but I got y'all up right now. I just had to do that real quick so it can get this part of me. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, even though it was a little mishap. But also want to give a shout out again to the YouTuber that I got this from, and y'all can check out her YouTube channel and everything like that. But yeah, I'm very proud of myself. So now the game is on. Like, I'm on level 10 right now. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what it looks like right now. This is the finished look, and you see that string. I have to be careful, so when I move it I actually have to hold it. And honestly, it's really not that bad because it's not like really unstable, but I like it so far. So it did come with the extension cord, and later on I might buy some bigger zip ties, but it'll be hard because I have to cut all this off. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, it comes with the extension cord, but you have to get an extension cord to actually plug it up. So yeah, I like it. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and make sure you guys subscribe to this channel so that way, you know, you can see me a lot. And also click that bell so you can know when I post. Also make sure you comment in the comment section of what you want to see next. because I'm giving y'all heat. Alright, so yeah, again, this is Special K, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.